Hi, the guys at Bruno Marc sent me a couple of pairs of shoes, but I asked for them because I'm already a user of Bruno Marc uh, shoes, and I'll tell you how I use them. I have a specific. I dance every day, and I like, instead of taking dance shoes, right, and walking to the place and changing my into dance shoes in the places where we dance, I take these, and I want to show you how beautiful these shoes are and how excited about these shoes, because I'm gonna be wearing these a lot. I am. Okay, these are Bruno Marc shoes, and let me show you all the details from the workmanship to the presentation are taken care of. So this is how they come. They come in their individual bags, right? And let me take it out for you so you see them. And check this out. These shoes are beautiful. Look. Take a look. These shoes are just amazingly made. You see? Elegant, well made, beautiful. And you know, the first thing that girls, when they meet you, look at is the shoes. So you gotta be wary of that fact. Now, check this out. For me, this is important. These are not leather. This is man-made materials in the outside. So the outside construction is man-made materials, but the inside, let me take this out. But the inside is leather. It's breathable leather. That inside material is breathable leather. And here has nice memory foam like padding. And why am I telling you this? Because these are going to be my dance shoes. I use these. This is not going to be my first pair of Bruno Marc. I use these all the time because they are, for me, dance shoes. This surface right here wears out really nice, where it's slippery enough and holds enough for it to be a nice dance shoe for salsa and cha-cha-cha and the other Latin dances and tango and all the Latin dances that I do. And what's beautiful about this is that they're gonna last forever. All you have to do is wipe them down real nice, and they're gonna have this beautiful look all the time. The soles last forever, and you know, they're just pretty, man. And if you are a person that likes pretty shoes, and if you're a person like me that's going to be standing up for a long time, because I go dancing every day and it's 2-3 hours of standing up, you're gonna want to have a comfortable, durable shoe. And then what's perfect about this is that after my dance nights, I walk home right in them. Let me show you this. They sent me this, but let me show you the other that they sent me. These are not for dancing. These others that I got are not for dancing. These are for work now. And there's a big difference. You'll see the big difference, you see? Let me show you these. Look. Man, this with a tuxedo. With a tuxedo or a suit, these look beautiful. They're elegant. Let me take this out. Right? And check that out. Same drill. These will be your shoes that you're gonna be wearing for a long time, because they're the polyurethane outer man-made materials that are very, very durable. But in the case of this shoe, I want you to see, these are non-slip. So if you are going to a job where the surface might be slippery, like if you're like a manager of a store, right, of a restaurant, and you need to have shoes that are comfortable so that you can stand for a long time because they have that nice padding that I told you about, the breathable leather in there, because the leather, the outside is man-made materials, but the inside is leather. It's like real leather. And if you are going to be standing for a long time and you need a shoe that is durable, this is the one. Okay? And affordable. Okay? I love these shoes, and I want to thank the guys at Bruno Marc for sending them to me. I'll be using them a lot, and I'll be buying more. Please, Bruno Marc people, make them in blue. If you're seeing this, make them in blue. I want the first pair. So, super recommended.